I am using the Natasha Denona Xenon palette, and I am going to create a look. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I want to talk to you. Let us talk. Do you ever feel some days you just want to be girly girly or more tomboyish or just split down the middle? A little bit of half and half. Today I feel a little girly girly. So I'm wearing a long maxi dress. Let me see if I can show you. I'll put a picture in there of my maxi dress. I grew up in a household, my early years. I had two brothers. One lived with us, and the other one lived with his grandmother. I had my older sister, and then two others after me. So I would say my house was more girly girly. But I was never a girly girly person. I love to climb trees. I love to run. I love to hike. I like to, I was different. But on a Sunday, when my mom dressed us up, oh my God, I loved it. I love dressing up. Now I'm going into Didi's signature and I'm going to use an orange there. For some reason, I am in the oranges. So I'm just going with what's flowing. So if you have seen an orange look from me, this is another one. That's just what it is. I make no excuses for where the brain is going, okay? I am just going with the flow. But I love dressing up. And I say that to make this point. We are all different in so many ways. And we have to learn to embrace that differentness, that uniqueness. Some of us have more femininity, we have more estrogen, we are more girly girlies. Some of us have half and half. We kind of balance right down in the middle with estrogen and testosterone. We have half and half, so we are in the middle. And some of us have more testosterone that make us more on the male side, but we are born in a female body. And it depends which one we have more of is what shows off the most. But every now and then we tap in into the male hormone side of us. Sometimes we comb our hair a certain day and we look more masculine than female. And sometimes we get dressed and we look more female, like girly girly femininity, than masculinity. But it is all because of how we are born. We were born that way, we are wired that way, we gravitate to what it is our inner spirit, higher calling puts us to. And we should not judge or criticize other people. Because I can tell you, take a good look. Some days when you get dressed, you're like, you feel so masculine. You're like, oh my God, why do I feel, like that? And sometimes you comb your hair certain way and you're like, oh my God, it just brings out that masculinity out of you. And you try to change it, no matter how much, it just ain't gonna go away that day. That's what's just showing up, and you just have to ride with it. So we're different in so many ways, and at the same time, we are so much alike because we all have a higher spirit, we all are human beings, and we feel pain, we feel sadness, we feel joy. So we're not that much different, even though our DNA is different, we have a lot in common. Today's I am says, and I pulled it early. It says, Everything I do is a choice. So I am in control of my reality. Everything I do is a choice. It is. Whether we want to say, oh, this person convinced me to do this, it was still a choice. Oh, this is why I did this. It is still a choice. Everything I do is a choice. So I am in control of my reality. If someone asked you to go somewhere and you said yes, you made the choice to go that place. Whatever happens there, it is still a choice you made. Remember that. Another thing I also want you to know is do not let your past hold you back. You can do over your life anytime you choose to. If you wake up this morning and say, you know what? I want to change the direction my life is going, do it over. Just start from where you are and just change what it is you need to change. But you can do over your life anytime you choose to. You don't have to wait for something drastic to happen. You just wake up, you feel it, you ready to do it, do it. I'm in the Xenon palette. I'm using a couple different shimmers. I did not use glitter glue. That is a Natasha Denona palette. It's black and gray and blue base grays. Your life can be redone anytime you want. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Always take care of yourself. Never dim your light for another. And know that you are loved. You gotta know you are loved. Practice saying, I love you to yourself. I love you. I love you. Call it by name. Like I go to the mirror, I'm like, V, I love you. Girl, you are beautiful. I love you so much. I am full of myself. You should see me in front of the mirror. Try it, you'll see. I dance, I sing, I lift my hands up, I give praise. I do all these things. And I'm like, yeah, girl, you got it. You got it. You're beautiful. You are loved. You are enough. You belong. This big, beautiful world you are in today. Give thanks. Be grateful. Be thankful. Say those things out loud, even when you're in the shower. Sing, dance. I sing, I dance, I do exercise. I'm like, 1, 2, 3. I have fun because this life is going by very fast and I want to enjoy it to the fullest. I want when I'm laying down on my old age bed to say, thank you, God. You gave me such great opportunity to express myself freely. I am back with today's look. I'm over here having fun. I pray that this video meets you, greets you, and leave you in a better frame of mind. I used 2 palettes today. I used the Xenon and I used the DD Signature. That's what's on my eyes. All the shimmers came from the Natasha Denona. I have 3 different shimmers on, and also the black came from there and the orange came from DD's Signature. Always know that you are loved. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to know and remember that you can do over anything in your life when you choose to. You don't go back, but from where you are, you can change the course of your life. Example, I'll use me and my name I like to use for myself, Jane. Jane gets in the car and decided that she's going to drive across state to a different county. When Jane was halfway on her journey, she realized she no longer wants to go there. She wants to go in a different direction. So Jane turned the car in the direction of the way she wanted to go. She arrived at her destination and was happy that she did change her mind to go to this other destination. Life do-over, you can do it. It might not be simple as this little demo that I just say, but with steps in the right direction, you can do over your life when you choose to. Please remember to share this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you shortly in another video. Bye.